Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use ClickUp alongside my finisher's journal to plan a productive week. So I use ClickUp as my weekly planner and my brain dump for every single thing. It's easy for me to use, especially if I'm on my phone at night. I can just open up my phone and just drop a bunch of tasks. I use my weekly to-do list. That's part of my brain-friendly template. And then I categorize everything. And this is just my brain dump. And then I have an in progress. And then I also pull things from other parts of my ClickUp list. And it just gives me a great weekly overview. But I also use it alongside my cloth and paper planner that I just use for a weekly overview. And this just helps me to get away from the digital and just be on paper. But the weekly planner in my cloth and paper is just very broad. I can't really get into details into here because it's just very small. Can't really write a lot of things. So I just write down the big events that's happening in the week. And that's where the finisher's journal comes in. This is a 3 months planner and you can plan out your week. So here is a weekly review and then a weekly plan. And you can really get detailed in your planning. So here is today's plans. And right here you can do all of your main tasks for the day. So it really helps you to just focus on that one task. Then we have secondary tasks, and then we have additional tasks. And then we have a time block schedule right here so you can plan your day more realistically, and then a blank page for notes and ideas. I really love this planner because it really just helps me to focus and plan out my day in detail. So the way I use this with my ClickUp is, again, my ClickUp is just where I brain dump everything, all of my YouTube ideas, all of my Instagram ideas, all of my mini courses and membership stuff. It's all in there, but sometimes it can get very overwhelming, especially having it digital. And then I suffer from out of sight, out of mind. So having something like the finisher's journal is the perfect complement for ClickUp. So what I do is I go into ClickUp and look at what's a priority, what's due, and then I just pick what's the most important and I put it into my finisher's journal. So I would just put the main tasks that I want to get done for the day here. So this just helps me to focus on today's plan only. The reason why I use both is because I like having my ClickUp to store all of my ideas, tasks, routines, and it helps me to plan by energy level and also by category and how much time I have. So it just makes it a lot more realistic about what I can do in a week. And then the finisher's journal just helps me to narrow down what's most important. So then I write that down in my finisher's journal. I don't copy everything that's in my ClickUp. I just cherry pick the important stuff that I want to actually finish. So this combo works perfectly for my brain because ClickUp is my organized, zoned, and nothing gets forgotten. I can easily input things. It's a great capture tool. But the finisher's journal is my calm container. It just tells me what to actually do today, what action to take. And I can be more detailed and time block. I can do everything a lot easier in here because pen and paper just makes it so much easier. So together, I feel focused without having to lose the big picture. And with this combo, I don't overplan anymore. I just reset when needed. Again, with the ClickUp, I also have all of my weekly routines and things that I don't need to write in my finisher's journal or my planner. It's all in here so that you don't have to keep rewriting things over and over. So yeah, if you want to try this combo, I'll leave the links to both below. So my ClickUp Planning Hub template is just plug and play. You can just adjust your routines and habits for you and then start planning your week in there. And then my finisher's journal, you can get 15% off if you use my code WINDA or just use the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you in some way on how to use digital and paper together.